On question number 9, we're solving the system of equations, and I'm going to solve by the elimination method. So I should be able to eliminate my x's if I turn them both into 18. So my x LCM is 18. So I want to multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom one by 2. But actually, I'm going to multiply the top one by a -3 because I need one of them to be negative, otherwise they won't cancel out. So this would be -18x minus 12y is equal to -36, and then 18x plus 12y is equal to 36. And then I can add these up, and I get 0 on the left and 0 on the right. So this is a true statement, which means it's infinite solutions. And then they still want us to write it as an ordered pair. So what that means is I'm going to let x be anything, and then I want to get y in terms of x. So I'm going to start out with the 6x plus 4y is equal to 12, and then solve for y. So let's subtract 6x from both sides, and then divide everything by 4. And then that's going to reduce to -3/2 times x plus 3. So my final answer is going to be, again I'm using that, my final answer is going to be x comma -3/2 x plus 3. So this will be able to generate an infinite amount of solutions. So you would pick an x and then plug that in here to get the corresponding y.